Unlike modern engines that constantly adjust the throttle, a hit-and-miss engine controlled its speed with a governor. When the engine slowed below its preset speed, it would fire or hit. Once it reached the proper speed, the governor prevented the next ignition cycle, allowing the engine to simply coast or miss until it slowed enough to fire again. This simple but ingenious system saved fuel and reduced wear while maintaining a nearly constant operating speed. One of the most recognizable features of these engines is their unmistakable sound. Under a light load, you'll hear the familiar rhythm. Snort, pop, whoosh, 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 as the engine fires once and then coasts for several revolutions before firing again. That distinctive snorting sound comes from the atmospheric intake valve used on many of these engines. During their peak years, from about 1910 through the early 1930s, manufacturers such as Stover, Hercules, International Harvester, McCormick-Deering, John Deere, Fairbanks-Morse, Landini, and Maytag produced thousands of these dependable engines. They ranged from tiny 1-horsepower models to massive engines producing around 100 horsepower, typically operating between 250 and 600 revolutions per minute. These engines powered water pumps, sawmills, generators, feed grinders, cement mixers, and even some of the earliest washing machines. Before tractors became widespread and rural electrification transformed the countryside, hit-and-miss engines were true labor-saving machines, allowing farmers to accomplish work that once required teams of people or animals. Today, these remarkable engines continue to captivate collectors and enthusiasts, preserving the sights, sounds, and ingenuity of America's early mechanical age.